Hello everyone, this is Teresa with Homeschool Primer, and today I just wanted to reach out to you. We just received our curriculum for 2020-2021 school year, and I wanted to do an unboxing to show you what we will be using. We are what they would classify as an eclectic homeschool family, so we don't really use a classical method or an unschooling method or a Charlotte Mason. We kind of use a little bit of all of it. So we take a little bit of homeschooling resources from each of those different areas. I like to put them together because we don't all fit in one particular package. One of my boys may learn a certain way and another learns a different way, and I kind of just over the years just pick and choose what works the best for their learning styles, and as they grow they change, and so I just adjust our curriculum based on that. So without further ado, let's see what's in the box. So we received everything, all of our curriculum for the 2020-2021 school year, and I'll go over that with you. The first step is we use, for our backbone, we use My Father's World, and we are in the basically American history too, 1850s to modern times. You can see that. And I'll go into a little bit more detail later about this, but this is what we base everything off of. Our literature, a lot of the suggestions that are in this book, we do end up using the literature as well, and definitely the history, sometimes the Bible, but this year I'm going to change that a little bit. And I'll go into more detail about each one of these in a separate video. The next thing up is we use Horizons Math. This is Horizons Pre-Algebra because I have a 7th grader who's going to be using this, and he absolutely has thrived off of Horizons, and we've used several different math programs, but I'm excited to get into this pre-algebra with him. It's one of my favorite subjects, but I'll go into this a little more detail too because I'll show you later that we just love how this is laid out. So for English, we use Easy Grammar. Easy Grammar, this is for 7th grade here, and it looks a pretty substantial book, but it has all the lessons, and it also comes with the, there's lots of many different lessons. Like they can just do one lesson a day, but usually I have my boys do several pages in order to be able to finish this book. And again, that's Easy Grammar for English. Now this year, this is a new one for us. Someone recommended it on a homeschool Facebook page. We've had no success with the writing programs that we have done. And we've used IEW, we've used Writing Strands, we've used Writing with Skill, and none of them have just haven't worked for my boys. But this was recommended. I thought I'd give it a try, and it's Jump In. Middle School Composition is what it says, and it's basically to help those that are not too thrilled with writing. I will probably do a review of this after we get started. And then for science, we have used Apologia for many years, and this is the general science. This is the new one. We had the old book, but the new one had more areas that would interest my 7th grader, so I ended up getting the newer one and just selling the older one on eBay. So we'll see, this covers quite a bit of material, and Apologia can be lengthy, We did get the notebook to go with this so that he can fill in the student notebook, that you can fill in the experiments, like your hypothesis and your results from your experiment. And but this is a pretty detailed book. We used it before, so I know it's going to be fantastic. To go along with My Father's World, they suggest the story of the world for history. They have some other materials as well, but this one is their that they basically say that we use throughout the year in American history too. And we've used it before. This is the audio. I like the audio. The kids like the audio. And it's just easier for them to process the information. And then we discuss it afterwards or do activities. So far, this has worked for us this will be the 4th year of the story of the world. Now, for basically for spelling, for Bible, foreign language, and art and music, I will be using Schoolhouse Teachers, which I have an annual membership to Schoolhouse Teachers, and we'll be going through those lessons where they can take them online. So that kind of sums up, that's our unboxing for this year, and we're really looking forward to digging into these materials. And I'll do a separate video to open these up and just show you what's inside so you can see if it'll work for your family. Have a good day. I forgot to also mention that I will put a link to the resources that I just mentioned in the comments below so that they'll be easy for you to access. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page. Thank you for joining us at Homeschool Primer.